Hey guys, I watched this video here for Friday, and man, this has been a long week. Friday, November 6th, showing you the SPY here. We had another gap up, a pretty narrow range today. Again, a lot of uncertainty in the air. So when you go to intraday SPY, you see there's the open, right? 5-minute candles. What a just total sideways chop fest it was. Having said that, I still think I had a couple really nice trades today. I did have a couple really nice trades today. Solo. I made a short video about this earlier, but let's take today's candle out of it. So it looked like this. This was already on an overnight watch list. Yesterday's high was 317, right? And then you kind of are in breakout territory with the potential to test and maybe break above this 335. So fast forward to today, you see all of that happened. But on intraday basis, I've said this before, sometimes the best trading setups are just the absolute simple ones, all right? EV plays were strong anyway. I love the daily chart on Solo. It gapped up to 315, sold off. I love this opening red 5-minute candle. Jane and I kind of simultaneously called this long over 315 idea with yesterday's high just above, and then that daily chart possibly playing out. Again, it was in the right space, the EV space, right? Got long, and I mean, it just never looked back. That was just a huge, that was my biggest one of the day, but I had a couple really nice pullback plays as well. Overall, though, pretty uneventful aside from that. So anyway, what are we watching for tomorrow? Solo is actually going to be one of them. KNDI put in an inside day after yesterday's big range, but very close to yesterday's high. So super interesting, like maybe through 9 tomorrow, then we've got today's high of 905 and yesterday's high of 917 stacked above as potential catalysts. And again, Chinese EV play, so it's in the right space, right? Tilray, the pot stock's really strong today. Big breakout today in Tilray, strong volume and a pretty strong close. We're going to watch for a follow-through day there. I would say the same thing for ACB. Another pot stock, strong day, strong close. Sun W, this is obscure, but it's found support here. And it tried to pop here and then back into the range and then tried to pop again here. Today's high, 318. About a week ago, a little over a week ago, 319. Certainly interesting over the 320 area. Solar was pretty damn strong today. So, here's another pot stock. A little bit of a different chart, VFF. You can picture a trend line if you follow my cursor here, right? Today, it's kind of breaking that trend line on volume, so we'll see if it follows through tomorrow. MGI is MoneyGram, had the really strong move, pulled back, another gap up on earnings, kind of gave it back, but it's already curling back up, so that sucker's strong. We're going to watch it. ONCT, massive intraday move, but closing well off its highs. I'm still going to watch it. I think it's interesting. ALTM, massive breakout today. Pretty small float in this one. Certainly worth watching for a follow-through day tomorrow. SOLO, already showed you this one. This is going to be also on watch tomorrow because of this kind of nice, nice breakout today. And then lastly, I threw BLRX on watch again. Kind of had a bullish engulfing day today, so I want to watch that. Some interesting earnings after hours too if you're wanting stuff to watch tomorrow, potential gappers. Peloton, PTON right now is gapping down. Roku had a big pop and then took out the lows and then right back into the range. What was the other one? Square, SQ, right now as I'm talking is trading at 188.72. So, and actually was briefly over 190. Who knows what it'll be by the end of the after hour session. So that was really strong as well. So there's a few more you can watch, but I'll add some gappers in the pre-market. Should be plenty to trade. Just keep in mind we've got headline risk. I've actually had, after the election, I've had 2 really, really nice trading days. So it certainly hasn't hurt trading at all. And that's all I've got. We'll see you tomorrow in chat.